So friends, now the much awaited woolen sari video, and I will showcase my latest woolen sari collection, absolutely in pure wool, pure cashmere wool, which is 85% pure wool and 15% pure silk. So that is the combination of cashmere. Now let me showcase and let me start with the hand block printed pure wool saris. So this is the first one, and yeah, so this is the first one. That's a stunning palla. See the palla. See the palla. It's a stunning palla with beautiful hand block print, and it's done so neatly, so neatly. These artisans are so very skilled. See the lines, the salli. I have learned their language, so they call this a salli. These lines. So this is the neat palla. This is the neat palla, and the whole body is made with this paisleys, lovely paisleys. Absolutely very traditional block print, and on pure wool hand block print is something very unique and something very artistic. So it is all that at Morpong Design we keep doing this, and we keep so that is the এখান থেকে ঢুকে যাও পেছন দিয়ে that is the combination. That is the sari, and this is the lower border of the sari. So so this is the combination, and very very beautiful. See the fall, completely majestic. And this is the blouse. So this part is the blouse piece. So the plain part with this sali block is the blouse piece. So that's the combination. That's the blouse piece. That is the palla. Very pretty palla, and the whole body has this paisley hand block. Pure cashmere fabric. Absolutely, it will fall on your body as like a crepe fall. You would feel that the fabric is completely looks like crepe on your body. So the price of this is 12,800 plus shipping. 12,800 plus shipping. Sari number 1. Sari number 2 in hand block. Sari number 2 in hand block. Gray color, sky gray kind of a shade. Sky gray kind of a shade. Extremely beautiful palla. All in abstract square pattern. All in abstract square pattern. This is the palla. Very pretty and very smart. Very smart. So this block is like this. The block print has come up like this, and this is the body. The whole body has this dotted block print which looks like bandage, the craft of bandage, but it is not. It is a block print which we have developed to give this kind of a look. And so so uh, this is the body. This is the body. This is the body. This is the whole sari. See the fall of the sari. Just see the fall of the sari. It's completely warm, beautiful warm fabric. Lovely, lovely warm fabric. And it will drape you as if you're in mother's warmth, kind of. The comfort is almost of getting into mother's warmth. So this is the border on the blouse. So the blouse is plain with borders on both the sides, border on both the borders. I mean, both the ends we have given the borders. Then the pallu has this kind of tassels, multicolored. The colors which we have given for the block, the pallu has this kind of tassels. 12,800 plus shipping. 12,800 plus shipping. So this is sari number 2. Now we come to some hand block hand painted saris. Pure cashmere, and these are all Chashme Bulbul weave, which is that rhombus kind of weave, which I actually explained earlier. So that is in Kashmiri terms, that's called Chashme Bulbul. This is all silk dye colors have been used in this hand painting of these. So this is hand painted pure cashmere hand painted saris, pure cashmere hand painted saris. The palla will come like this. See the majestic, beautiful palla, lovely, lovely palla. So that's the whole sari. That the sari is, you know, a pale purple kind of a look, pale purple kind of a look, and the body color. So this is the, you know, the whole fall of the sari. That's the lower border. That is the lower border, and the blouse is like this. The blouse is in this, you know, it is in smoky black color, the smoky black color. So this would come on your back, and this border will come on your sleeves. The blouse has this smoky color, smoky kind of a color. So that's the blouse piece, and that is the sari. So it is very warm, very pastel and very English. The colors is very, very English and warm and pastel. So this is sari number 3, hand painted. And the pricing of these saris are 13,950, 13950 plus shipping, 13950 plus shipping. In hand painted section, the second sari in this, that was the first one. This is a peach color. See the palla. Have you seen the palla? Gorgeous one. Pure cashmere fabric. Pure cashmere fabric. See the fabric. The neat of the fabric. See the neating. See the, not neating, see the weaving, sorry. See the weaving. So it's a pure cashmere fabric. That is the border. That is the body. The body has vertical leheria. The body has vertical leheria. So basically, we hold the sari straight, and you know this leheria pattern comes like this. The what, as you know, it is a free flow of colors. It's a free flow of colors. See the free flow of colors. How pretty, how beautiful. So all this, you know, this leheria kind of a color has come. So that's the free flow, and there is a nice peach selvage. The whole sari has this kind of a look, very artistic, and the palla is like this, majestic palla with lotus leaves and this kind of a combination. And the blouse piece in this is इसका blouse piece कहाँ है? इसका अंदर ही है. Oh, sorry. The blouse piece is this. Sorry, I was thinking it is also separate. No. So this is on the back, peach colored blouse piece. This is on your back. This painting would come on your back, and one of the single lotus on your sleeves. This kind of single lotus on your sleeves. So this is the complete sari, and 6.5 meters, huge sari with 47 height. So for tall people, very nice. 13,950, 13950 plus shipping. So that's another. The third in the hand painted section is a Kalamkari inspired art. Kalamkari inspired art. I just took pictures of these saris, so actually they are already little in open state. So that's the palla. That is the mesmerizing palla. Red color has come so beautiful. Since these are all pure fabric, the color play is amazing. Have you can see such beautiful border. The color play is amazing, and this is salt effect. This is the salt effect in the body, and that's why this vertical light and shade, play has been done. This is a beautiful sari. Lovely one. See the palla. If I give you a close, and that's the that is the blouse. That this will come in the back of the blouse. And these are on your sleeves. These motifs are on your sleeves. So this is sari number 3 in the hand painted section. And the price is 13,950, 13950 plus shipping. Is this? See the color. What all lovely pink, onion, magenta, wine kind of shades have come in this. See the palla. See the hand painted palla. Absolutely. See the flowers. It's all fresh from the garden. So this kind of, and this is wine selvage. The sari has a wine selvage, the body color. See the onion shaded body color. Onion shaded body color. This is on purple onion. This is called wine onion. You know, the shade is wine onion. So this, the whole sari has this brick layout. This brick layout, the abstract, the abstract texturing has been given in a brick layout. So the whole sari has this kind of a layout, and this looks so beautiful when it falls on your body, and when it is, you wrap around like this. So this brick layout texture. So it's all very abstract and floral. So that is the combination, and that is the palla, mesmerizing palla, and the sari and the flow of the sari. It is a, it is a, it resembles crepe actually. So this is the blouse, the wine color. So this hand painted section in the back, this hand painted flowers will come on the back, and this beautiful flowers will come on your sleeves. This beautiful flowers come on your sleeves. 13,950 plus shipping. So that's the fourth sari. I have only four hand painted saris, and they will just go off, I know. So please book fast. Now I come to some further exquisite woolens with Sosni embroidery, completely beautiful Sosni embroidery. And so this is this. This is a Sosni embroidered uh, glamorous one, just glamorous one. See how beautiful, how pretty. This is a bottle green, sap green, I would say. See the sap green color. The block has been done along with that. This is the block printed section, and we have given a beautiful selvage which acts as a piping in the front side. So this is the border, this is the upper border. The upper border has this kind of a tree and a floral layout. So it is basically a combination of a block and Sosni, because the whole sari Sosni would get into a absolute very very expensive price level range. So I have given it in such a way that people can actually highly merrily wear it, merrily take it. So I have just designed, my designing actually is comfortable for the so this is the pleats. This is the pleat part, this is the pleat part, that's the hand block. And the blouse has a full Sosni embroidery. The blouse part, the blouse is with semi-stitched with full Sosni embroidery. It goes up to 48 size, can go up to. It's semi-stitched. This is the front. These are the sleeves, beautiful sleeves. That's the back, full Sosni hand embroidery. See, full Sosni hand embroidery, lining, full lining blouse, full lining blouse. So you can, so this sari and the blouse combo. This is this sari and the blouse combo. So that is the sari, and this is the blouse. So that is the combination. And the pricing for this sari and the blouse is 25540, 25,540. So this is 25540. So that's the sari and the blouse. Second combination in this, it's a pink, beautiful dull pink color, it's a old rose color actually, old rose color, pastel color, or English rose you can say. So that is with the wine color combination, so that is the Sosni on the palla. That is the full Sosni work in the palla, extremely pretty. And that is the border, which is hand blocked border with this kind of facing done on the back. So you don't even need a fall for these saris. You don't need a fall. You just need to put the stitch on for the blouse, and that anybody can do, or else you can give me your size. My tailor can just fix it for you. That can be done. And so that's the fall. That is the pleats. That is the palla. See the palla block, it's majestic. The whole palla is like this. So that is the whole palla combination. See, and how how beautiful and how tall are these saris, because for tall people, generally, many times it happens that the saris don't come as per, their height. So, and then they have to add cloth and fabric. So this time I had made it sure that they should weave saris of this tall length, so that it can come proper for them. So this is the blouse, that's the sleeves, that is the sleeves, this is the back of the blouse. It's a majestic combination, very pretty and a very very unique. I mean, these are all very unique designs. So whoever goes for it, anybody can go for it. So anyway, this is 25540. Okay, so this is sari number 2 in Sozni. Sari number 3 is this blue one. So this is a blue and a powder blue combination. The body is just powder blue combination, and I have given a chinar leaf block pattern here. I have given a chinar leaf block pattern. You can just see a chinar leaf block pattern. And so that is the sari, that is the palla. It's a nice big palla with a huge embroidered section, with a huge hand embroidered Sozni section. That is the block print, in the sari. The border and the selvage, this is the selvage added. So this is the whole concept, and quickly I showcase the blouse. This will just take them, and this is the blouse. So this is the blouse, beautiful blouse piece, blouse, semi-stitched blouse, totally semi-stitched blouse, and all the lining and everything is given. So you really need not bother for anything. You just have to fix the sides and just drape it. Not even the fall is required for these saris. So this is a combination, extremely gorgeous combination. And the last of this in the series is this combination, which is a golden yellow and a this is yellow ochre and umber. So this is another very fascinating color combination, very fascinating. So this is umber brown, you can say. This is the that combination. This is yellow ochre. See, I have given a leaf block print with this kind of a combination. So this is the body. The body of the sari is like this. The body, the palla, the body has this block print, fern block print. The fern, block print, which is going down. And so this is the whole sari. Lovely, lovely combination. The selvage is burnt umber. This is the burnt umber shade. This is the burnt umber. So it is matching with this. This is called a burnt umber shade. And so this is the sari. And the blouse is this. So the blouse and the sari has this kind of a combination. The blouse itself will be so expensive otherwise if you want to go buy and make such a blouse. So you can very well understand the sari, the designing, the concepts, this and this one. So these are all in the woolen luxury segment. Whoever would love to go for this, handloom woven woolen saris with handcrafted Sozni, definitely they should go for it. Thank you so much. Please get back to me. Whoever likes whatever can share a screenshot with